Well, I have to talk what come to my aunt. One of them for look. You know, myself. And as I say, money not truly make a man happy. Things not truly bring joy to a man. Because when you look and you see my favorites, them make money. And with all of the money with them I make, them still can find time for war and fight with each other. You see, until you find yourself, you're not ever really happy. You see, if you're not going to stay in a life and always try to be egotistical and always try to impress other people, and always feel like you're not going to value people's opinion, and always feel like someone have to go back and forth or argue with people with don't have them perception of you're not going to lose. You know, ego not carry one away, you know. Sometimes in our life, we have to be the bigger person, and that make you sound like a loser sometimes. But I just mean, and everything what we hear, we have to respond to. Why they have to see things and pass it, brother.